turn, no matter which way we turn, you're with it.
Okay.
Don't go against it. Now, if somehow or another we fall off, no matter what, you got to grab the back of the jet ski, put one knee up there, put the other knee up there, get your knees up, and then stand up one at a time. This one's so much harder to do it on, but it's still possible. It's tough. We might not be able to get back on. I'm telling you, the yellow one's a whole lot easier to work with, and I can't get it running. So this is what we got.
I'm not worried about it getting wet or nothing. I've just never ridden one, so that's fine. I understand.
That is a little bit chilly.
I can't see, so I'm just worried. I don't have my contacts in right now. No, I don't. My contacts.
When are we gonna be able to get Man, I'm wet!
I'm sorry!
Now look, you gotta get on even.
I'm sorry!
And it's gotta be quick. Alright, let me get on. Now watch this. See how quick I got on and it's even?
Man, I'm not Spider-Man. I don't know what you think I'm gonna do. Chris is gonna help you push out, Justin.
Figure out a little bit, but you're sinking. I'll get it started. Come by. You can just grab it.
Chris, you may have to get in the water all the way.
This is the joy of a new one. They don't flip like that.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Darcy, you get on first. Sit like this. And balance it out. Get the feel of it.
I want to go. Zach, don't step in front of me. It's like.
See how shaky it is? The yellow one's not like that. The yellow one floats a whole lot. Just try to keep it
There's
down.
totally a giant spider on this thing. Oh my god.
Try to keep it balanced. Ready to go. You gotta get used to it. It's gonna happen sometime.
Just give it up. Give it up, people.
Hold on a second. Meet me over there at the top.